Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deepsika and today we are going to discuss about blood transfusion. So first we will know about what is blood transfusion. So transfer of blood from healthy person to required person is known as blood transfusion. So second we will know about what component of blood we can transfuse and what component of blood we can't transfuse. So RBC we can transfuse, albumin can transfuse, clotting factor can transfuse, but we can't transfuse WBC. And now we will discuss about the properties of donor, benefits of donating blood and loss of donating blood, and what would be the benefits of recipient after receiving the blood. So here we come the properties of donor. The donor weight must be above 48 kg and the hemoglobin level of donor must be above 12 gram per dl and no donation under 3 months. So now we will discuss about the benefits of donor and benefits of recipient. So benefits of donor, the first benefit of donor would be the activation power of bone marrow of donor will increase. Activation power of bone marrow increase and spleen contraction power increase. Spleen contraction power increase. And now we will discuss about the loss of donating blood. If we will donate more than 10% of blood, it will cause problems in our body. And now we will discuss about the benefit of recipient. So the first benefit of recipient would be oxygenation power of cell increase, and second coagulating power increase, healing power increase, power, stamina and strength of recipient increase, BP increase, and waste product excretion would be easy, and oncotic power increase. Thank you.